Combining 440 cubic inches of Magnum V8 with a fun 4-speed and a detailed ground-up restoration, this 1970 Charger RT is an excellent example of why vintage Detroit metal will always be incredibly appealing. Beginning life as solid Detroit steel, this classic Charger proved a fine foundation for building some awesome American muscle. The car's acute restoration no doubt began with hours of massaging vintage panels into a straight, wave-free canvas. Once that intense labor resulted in good fit and finish, correct Plum Crazy 2 stage was dressed in a Bumblebee war stripe and bold hood callouts. Inside, you'll find a cockpit where vivid vinyl seats meld seamlessly with a stylish, no-nonsense driving environment. A traditional pistol grip shifter leads a convenient buddy seat. In front of the driver, a monochromatic steering wheel laps a wood-trimmed dash, which hangs rebuilt rally gauges beside modern JVC audio. Lift the hood and you'll find 440 cubic inches of Magnum V8 that, like the car's body, has been fully rebuilt and carefully refinished. A familiar A833 4-speed twists power to a chrome-trimmed Dana 60 that's finished with a sure grip differential and choice 354 gears. With a storied drivetrain, a solid restoration, and striking aesthetics, this super cool Mopar combines big swagger with big appeal. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.